This is the RPB-D3, a large portable Bluetooth party speaker designed to bring the party wherever you go. With its massive bass, true wireless stereo linking capabilities, and vibrant party LEDs, this speaker is engineered to deliver an impressive and pleasant sound curve. The RPB-D3 features large speakers and two passive bass radiators on either side, producing deep bass frequencies and a very loud overall volume. For an even bigger sound, the TWS feature allows you to connect two speakers wirelessly for a more immersive audio experience. But before we dive into more details, let's check out a demo.
What's up guys, so I've got the RPB-D3 all set up and ready to go. The cool thing is it has LEDs on the side of the speakers that we can turn on by using the LED button here. So as soon as I turn that on, you'll see the LED start to come on. Very cool stuff. So I've got my phone connected to the speaker through Bluetooth, so I'm gonna play some music so you can hear how it sounds. Oh yeah, sounds really cool. We got the LEDs going on the sides here. Good stuff. Very nice. What's also really cool is the TWS or True Wireless Stereo feature, where you can take two RPB-D3s and link them together wirelessly. All you have to do that is press this TWS button here on one of the speakers. And just like that, they're linked together. So from here, we can take our Bluetooth device and pair it to both of the speakers at the same time. So let's go ahead and hear how that sounds. Big difference, and you can place them further apart in the same room and really fill out the space. So yeah, and the LEDs are going too. Very cool stuff. Really cool.
The RPB-D3 is powered by a 30-watt stereo sound, 15 watts per each channel amplifier, and includes two 3-inch 4-ohm full-range speakers and two passive bass radiators for the lows. It's a 7.4-volt, 4,400 mAh battery, which lasts up to 24 hours at low volumes and 8 hours at max volume. You can also turn the LEDs off if desired. Additionally, you can use the USB input as a power bank to charge your smartphone or tablet on the go. With an IPX5 water-resistant rating and a rubber input cover for increased water resistance, the RPB-D3 is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The speaker utilizes an Actions ATS2853 Bluetooth chip, supporting the wireless linking of two speakers together for stereo sound. It also supports A2DP, ensuring high-fidelity sound quality with a long-range, stable, and reliable connection with any Bluetooth-enabled device, including iPads, iPhones, laptops, Android phones, and more. The built-in USB playback supports up to 128 gigabytes, playing MP3, WMA, FLAC, and WAVE audio file types. With a 40-foot Bluetooth range and a carry handle, this speaker is easily portable. The RPB-D3 includes a 3.5mm aux input, and it also has all your basic control buttons: play, pause, skip forward, skip back, and mode. It can also control the next song, pause, and play on popular apps like Pandora, Spotify, and others. Whether at home, the beach, or a party on the go, the Rockville RPB-D3 will provide you with an unforgettable audio experience. Its impressive features and capabilities make it a perfect portable Bluetooth speaker for anyone who loves music. So if you're looking for a large portable Bluetooth party speaker with huge bass, TWS linking capabilities, and party LEDs, look no further than the RPB-D3 from Rockville.